Howdy, y'all. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Got some Irish stout here. Homemade is good. We're cooking up some gumbo. We're going to start off by adding our celery. Pour in our pot. Mix it up. I'm going to add some onions and bell peppers. Now we're going to add some okra, some of these. Mix it all in. Now we're going to add our sausage. Mix that in there. Now we're going to add some shrimp. Some crab meat. Some beef flavor. I add some tomatoes, some stewed tomatoes. Turn up this heat a little bit. Now we're going to go to our seasonings. Some garlic. Some thyme. Tad bit of sugar. Some bay leaves. Can't forget the beer. And some Sloppy Mama and Worcestershire sauce. Some Sloppy Mama. And I think we got everything. Now we're going to mix this up and let it cook for about an hour.